Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting your contacts off the iPhone because iOS won't write to SIM directly. First, make sure contact syncing is enabled in iCloud on the iPhone. Next, on a computer, sign into iCloud. Open Contacts, select every contact you want and export a single VCF file. Save that file locally. Once done, transfer the VCF to an Android device or to a computer that can access a USB SIM writer. This is necessary to move contacts onto the SIM card. Now import the exported VCF file into a device that can write to SIM. Transfer the file to an Android phone or open your SIM writer app on the computer. On Android, go to Contacts, then Settings, then Import/Export, choose the VCF to import into the device memory. Once contacts appear in the contacts list, select Export or Copy to SIM from the Contacts app menu. If using SIM Writer software, follow its prompt to write the imported contacts to the inserted SIM card. Finish by removing the SIM from the Android device or SIM writer and place it into the phone that needs the contacts. Make sure Contacts or Phone app displays the SIM entries. If not, check the app's group visibility settings and enable the SIM group. If many contacts didn't transfer, SIM capacity is likely limited. Transfer only essential entries or split across SIMs. If problems persist, open the VCF in a text editor to confirm simple name, /number entries, and re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.